today, beautiful Kiwi. The birds are singing. People are having a great time enjoying the park. Wait a second. There's a candy wrapper on the floor, and there's a trail of it. Come on, let's figure this out.
Isn't it horrible garbage everywhere? Nobody around to bother me. Never mind. I think I spoke too soon.
Well, I should have known it was you making all this garbage.
What do you want with me?
We would like if you picked up your litter. This is a lovely park, and your garbage does not belong in it.
I'm out of here. You guys can pick it up.
Remember, kids, if you're at the park and you see wrappers or plastic, make sure you pick it up and throw it away. There's probably a garbage can close by. Let's take care of our local parks.